Today we are going to discuss some important functions of gibberellins. One of the important function is the stem elongation of the dwarf plants. Gibberellins can overcome the genetic dwarfism due to gene mutation in certain plants, such as in corn and in Pisum sativum. Application of gibberellins cause stem elongation and the plant resembles to the tallest varieties of the same species. Dormancy is the arrested seed growth, and gibberellins overcome both bud and seed dormancy in many species, acting as substitute for lower temperature, long days or red light. In seeds, the gibberellins enhance cell elongation so that the radicle can push through endosperm, seed coats and fruit wall that restricts its growth. Gibberellins also responsible for bolting and flowering in long day plants. In biennial rosette plants such as carrot and radish, gibberellins cause bolting. Bolting means the development of secondary stem and inflorescence. In these plants, the growth of internode is restricted and the leaves are arranged in rosette manner during the short days. These plants flower only in long days and their flowers are produced at the end of the long flowering stalk called scap. Application of gibberellins causes the plant to bolt and flower during the short day conditions. Vernalization or low temperature requirement for germination of some plants can be replaced by the application of gibberellins. Another important role that is played by the gibberellin is the sex expression. Gibberellins promote the flowering of male flowers in genetically female plants of cannabis. They can also replace the female flowers with the male flowers on monoecious plants of cucurbits. This role is antagonistic to that of the auxins. Along with the auxins, gibberellins control fruit growth and development. They can induce parthenocarpy and development of seedless fruits from the unfertilized pistils, especially in case of palms such as apple and pear. Mobilization of food and minerals in seed storage cells. In young plants, the stored food material in seed is used before absorption from the soil or from the photosynthesis. The stored food is present in the form of starch, lipids and proteins. The gibberellins stimulate conversion of these polymers into sucrose and mobile amino acids so these can be carried easily. Next we will discuss some commercial applications of gibberellins, such as fruit production. A major use of gibberellin is to increase the size of seedless grapes. Bunch size and shape also improved because increase in stalk length. In citrus fruits, gibberellins delay senescence so the fruit can left on the trees longer to extend market period. As gibberellin applications increase the amount of alpha amylase in germinating barley seeds, this enzyme hydrolyzes the starch and is used in the production of malt for beer industry. Application of GA4 and 7 can reduce the time of seed production considerably by causing the formation of cones on very young trees. In addition, the promotion of maleness in cucurbits and stimulate the bolting in biennial vegetables such as beet and cabbage is brought about by gibberellin application and used commercially in seed production.